Fucking hell.
I don't think I went in this one.
No, you fell in it instead.
Put your feet to the right. There's a little slip it. Someone has obviously blocked it up again.
Oh! No, I hate.
What? We don't know. You've done it again.
Yeah, I just caught it on that fucking thing. Oh, I proper ripped them. Is that fucking bolt in the fucking wall? Cunt. There you go.
I don't know where Kev went. I think he went that way.
Hello!
Quite warm down here, isn't it? What stuff becomes been using string?
Probably to, like, oh, this is the way we go out.
You got one L2.
I'll get some pictures in a sec. Yeah, you've got L2, L1. Entrance would have been there. L1 there. K4. Got all the old fucking woodwork down there. K3. Well, it turns out there's always a way out.
Is it on the roof?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, don't you see it a bit like Torfield?
That's what I thought. It's just Torfield's in a lot better condition.
Oh
It'd be even better condition once I get my hands on it. Well, he was not shitting you about big fucking spiders. Look at the size of that. I wouldn't want that crawling down your panties. Another entrance.
Would have been.
So far we've gone left. So, remember what that is, J4. J3. Gas, gas, gas.
Part.
J1.
Oh, you just signed that box.
Make a fucking fuse box.
Oh, you're golf ball down there.
Tee up. There's bare golf balls down there. Look at them.
I can't remember that bloody story now. Look.
There's shitloads of golf balls. I might tee up on my way home.
I just got out the car.
Roll a few balls down the Kev. How the fuck did they get down here?
Just throw them down and push.
Fucking hell.
No, bro.
Oh shit. Well, I think Kev's already been through it.
No footprints.
Yeah, there's another entrance.
Yeah, it's also no entry.
Keep fucking going. And going. Could you imagine, like, being rushed down here in an event of an air raid?
H3 right now.
H2. Fucking. H1's this side.
No more golf balls.
Another entry point. There's loads of golf balls. Where the fuck are these come from?
Yeah, that one's sealed up. It's got a metal bar, metal sheet on it.
It's like someone's like gone round. Look at all the benches.
I know, man. C4? Oh shit. Boom.
See, G3.
No, C4.
Right, Jesus Christ. Boom.
Well, look at all the old...
Oh, isn't that Mohammed's favourite candle? C4.
All the light fixtures.
Yeah. The wooden blocks, isn't it?
Whenever you go on a fucking shelter, there's always a tyre.
Yeah. 9 times out of 10 they are from World War II. The last one that we went to had bits of motorbike and stuff in it. There you go, there's fucking part of a car or something there.
Another entrance here.
All this original seating.
Got it in 1967.
No light. Can't read it. Something on that.
Oh, fire extinguishers or something.
Another entry point.
It's a block door.
Yeah, it's got bars on it. Fucking hell. What, does it go all the way down the alphabet, man? Because we're at E right now. Fucking hell, man. Can you imagine it? Being a scared little kid sitting on these benches, waiting for the bombs to go. The planes to fuck off. Nah, man. That's fucking crazy. Probably one of the hardest upbringings I'd say was back on the walls. That is prime.
It'd be like a public shelter, wouldn't it? Really?
Yeah, it's just that's why there's so many entry points. It allows more of the public to get in, and obviously they would have had specific, like D3 would have been one family
street,
or
yeah.
One street, depending on obviously fucking hell, paintings. Jesus Christ! I've got to walk back through and get pictures, yeah. D2. What?
D1? There you go. Another one here. That's fucking nuts, isn't it?
So yeah, there would have been an entrance for every single
Section of the...
compartment. See. Wait a minute, what?
No, that's G4. The other one was a G4. Daddy.
Confused. Yeah, C3.
Yeah, that must have been G4 then.
Even got part of a kitchen sink.
There's always one of them, isn't
Part of the store. Yeah, there's an entry point to every single letter. And every single compartment. It's fucking massive. So yeah, I reckon it goes. I reckon. I reckon it goes all the way fucking down. Have we walked back past B? We haven't walked back past any of them. So when we get to the other end of this side, it should take us round the other side.
Should take you on at 8.
Which means we've got a big bloody walk back. B1.
B2.
No, yeah, so yeah. There's basically all the entry points are in a straight line. And the tunnels just go like left and right.
You've got A3 going.
Yeah, I've got A2 there. Which means we're almost at the end. Now, is there gonna be an entry point? Yeah, there is that.
You found it?
Is there gonna be an entry point at A1? God damn it, where did you come from? Oh, he's trying it. Oh shit, that's the other entrance. And that like sections. Blast walls, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the way they run down in.
Yeah.
Gives it extra protection, doesn't it?
Kept on in there. Sure,
Yeah, I gave them the pin as soon as we left it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
There's a picture of you on the wall.
Okay. Yeah, it'll be about that way, won't it?
Put the dart down here, eh? Turn it torch on.
Yeah.
Quick, isn't it?
What way did he go?
Yeah, so we're at the stall. Started again.
Oh, I did.
You got up on YouTube? We finally got out.
Dover.
Okay. What colour is it? Isn't it?
Yeah, bottles. Oh, that's C4.
Yeah, we're at C1. Yeah.
Yeah, this light, well, all set up now. GoPro, both these lights
Yeah.
are waterproof. Yeah, the diving light, the top one,
You don't use my vet, don't you?
yeah, this big one, goes underwater 40 metres.
Oh, D1, D3. That's for paintings there.
Yeah, I want to get a picture of that. Bitch slap this camera.
E2, E3, E4. E4?
Yeah, we'll take the left. We took the right last time, didn't we?
The size of that colour there.
Oh, he flinched.
Yeah, don't piss him off.
He's got babies in his butt.
No?
He's got babies in his butt.
It's in the funnel.
It should be left hand. Fuck me, that's an old Asda bag. That's the price, look at that.
No. I've got gloves here, look.
Fucking dealer.
No, really just C5.
I did not see that. Put a landing on that. Oh,
What?
that was a big one.
Wait, fuck off. Oh, you see that cunt up here, look. Yeah, come on, it's just fuck. God.
Oh damn, he's trying to eat something. Oh no.
Look at the size of that cunt there. Look at the light above your head.
Ain't exactly hungry.
The amount of dirt. I remember that.
Yeah, that I remember that. Because there's a wheel the other side, isn't there? Yeah, because there's that thing I was, oh, there's something written on there. £156. That's what it says. The old air brake. That's really worrying. How fucking loose it was. Yeah, it says that bent up thing. There you go, there's some whatever that is. No more nails. What are they trying to do? Fix the bench.
I think someone's been putting bricks on the wall.
Oh man. Yeah, that's a cool picture.
Yeah, you know.
Just got fucking all the batteries get well hot. Yeah, they get really warm. Just put some coal in. Let there be light.
H1, you need to have that. Yeah, look. I'm trying to stick the fucking bricks back on.
To what though? Wheelbarrow time.
You can get that. Get me back.
See pallets? found him.
What are you doing in my bunker?
Good.
Shelter.
Mate, some of these spiders are huge.
Yeah, I'm not even looking at them.
I've learnt to get used to it now.
Yeah. I'm right, man. I've got a clear fan. Hey, you've got a good signal down
You going back? You lost?
Yeah, we've just come from over there. We just went over all that shit.
Come over there.
We just come over that. So the entrance is back that way.
Yeah, just keep going.
Baghdad way.
Right and forward. Right and forward. Right and forward.
We went left and forward. So we just got to go left and forward on the way back. Not right and forward. That's how we got into this trouble. I feel the air anyway. Whee! Not that way. Left, then right.
See, look, there's a little mouse there. He's collecting all the balls.
Yeah. Been playing golf down a tunnel.
Yeah, bring the cut the ball down.
Fresh ones there, look.
Yeah.
Huh?
What is it?
18650.
Oh
When your
shit, how the
batteries-
fuck is
Oh,
that?
your bag's open, you muppet.
Yeah, no, not from...
You're leaving a trail of batteries,
From where though?
isn't it?
Yeah,
Good spotted by me.
where the fuck? How the fuck? If there's not two in here,
You're going back.
then I've lost one. Yeah, that's cool, I'll drop one out of the book. How the fuck?
How did I spot that as well?
But not even how did it fall out of that pocket? The batteries
if
are
it's
down here.
open.
The batteries are here.
So my shoulder was like that.
Should we go, oh,
What?
let's get some sticks to go up on the range, innit? Yep, Kev's being this way. Smell the... Bastard. Whoa, field mouse.
I killed it. That's the same mouse, it's like lost.
Flash photography. Ah!
Oh, he's fucking scared the spider, man.
He'll get us out.
It's proper running, isn't it? Bye.
Got your trouser leg.
Yeah, I done my trousers, look. Proper getting there now, boys.
It's done for addiction exposure, isn't it?
Nah, I couldn't get as bad as Kieran.
Oh, that was funny. Where was we? We was at fucking Dover, wasn't we?
Yeah, he ripped
What,
his
a garage?
trousers. Yeah, he ripped his trousers twice. And all of this bit was open, mate. He literally had to get back on the train with this massive hole in his trousers. Proper fun. That's the first time I've ripped a pair of trousers though.
Well, I done that, didn't I, on that fucking water race?
I only paid a $5 for these or some shit. I think it's this one. I swear we've been here. That's that bucket.
Kick the back.
You said left and out, yeah?
It's one of the arrows in my bit.
That doesn't help.
Right, what size is that? 28? I could have done that the other day, but just still. I'll take it, man.
I was aiming for the can. Didn't quite work. I want to know why there's so many golf balls though. Surely, like,
You've got that golf course next door, we just turn around, didn't it?
follow the white string.
That's old, isn't it? 10 packs of cigarettes.
It used to be like, what, £2.10?
We used to get a pack of silver and a box of matches for £1.90.
Don't know why it looked right. Just following this bit of string. Oh, we're out of string.
We're out of the tunnel.
Oh shit, we're out of daylight now.
Yeah, we're out of daylight.
Someone.
I ripped them on that.
Oh, did you?
Fucking bastard, mate.
Did you make yours as well? No, I didn't.
No, I ripped them right on that nipple bit there. Fuck. Jesus Christ. It's a
Surely
bit dark
calm
out
down.
here.